Hey Jen, I'm gonna try to make this video for you and hopefully I can explain it. So the problem you sent me was 2 over parentheses 1 minus 5x squared to the third power, right? Let me check. Yeah, so basically I want the derivative of this. First of all, this is something that I could use chain rule for, or I could use quotient rule for, but I noticed that since I have a constant on the top, I could actually rewrite this problem. This means the exact same thing as 2 parentheses 1 minus, oops, 5x squared, close parentheses, to negative 3 power. So these two mean the exact same thing. Because I have um, an exponent on the bottom, I could rewrite the whole thing and just make it negative. Now I could take its derivative. When I take the derivative, I know I'm going to have to use chain rule because I have a function inside a function. This function right here is inside the function to the negative 3 power. So what I'm going to do first in chain rule is take the derivative of the outside function, which means by power rule I'm going to multiply negative 3 times 2. I'll leave the inside alone, and then in power rule I subtract 1 from the exponent. So you understand that? And then I multiply by the derivative of the inside. So the inside is 1 minus 5x squared. The derivative is simply just negative 10x. And now I'm going to simplify this and make it neater. First of all, I have a negative 6 times a negative 10x. So I could just simply write 60x, 1 minus 5x squared, to negative 4. And then, oops. And then I also noticed that the problem initially didn't have a negative exponent, so just to make it neat, I'll put it back in the denominator. So I'll name it 60x, or name it, I will solve it and make it 60x over 1 minus 5x squared to the 4th power. So hopefully that was easy enough for you to understand. I can help you more if you want, but that's it. Alright, bye Jen.